fight. She polish up she briefcase, shouting justice must be right. But when she reached the courthouse, crowds start to bawl and laugh. She point straight at a sandwich and say, arrest it on my behalf. Jeanine Perro can't indict a Subway sandwich, no. Bread too soft and the fillings too slippery, so she tried to charge the lettuce, she tried to charge the mayo, but every time she raised she pen, the sandwich bust a show. She call a big committee, say this thing serious here. But the tuna start to giggle and the onions disappear. The judge say, Perro, listen, this case have no foundation. She say, Your Honor, trust me, is a culinary situation. Jeanine Perro can't indict a Subway sandwich, no. Bread too soft and the fillings too slippery, so she tried to charge the lettuce, she tried to charge the mayo, but every time she raised she pen, the sandwich bust a show. Now the people in the gallery start chanting, let it be. For how she go prosecute a foot long with extra cheese. Jeanine sweating like a furnace, she say this thing out her hand. The sandwich wink and tell her, Miss, I'm a free-range man. Jeanine Perro can't indict a Subway sandwich, no. Bread too soft and the fillings too slippery, so she tried to charge the lettuce, she tried to charge the mayo, but justice take a lunch break and the sandwich steal the show.